CCNA Lab Setup – Building a home lab for hands-on experience. Why build a home lab for CCNA? Here are some reasons why setting up a home lab is essential for your CCNA training. Hands-on experience. A home lab provides you with practical experience in configuring network devices, which is crucial for mastering networking concepts. Simulate real-world scenarios. With a home lab, you can create different network topologies and simulate real-world scenarios to enhance your troubleshooting skills. Lab equipment for CCNA Home Lab Setup. To build a CCNA home lab, you will need the following essential lab equipment. Cisco routers. Cisco routers are the backbone of any networking lab setup. Look for models such as the Cisco 2600 series or 2800 series for hands-on practice. Cisco switches. Cisco switches are essential for creating VLANs, configuring port security, and improving your networking skills. Consider models like the Cisco Catalyst 2950 or 2960 series switches. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your CCNA home lab effectively. Choose a dedicated space. Select a quiet and well-ventilated area in your home to set up your lab equipment. Connect network devices. Connect your Cisco routers and switches using Ethernet cables to create a physical network topology. Install virtualization software. Install virtualization software on your lab server to run virtual machines and simulate network configurations. Conclusion. In conclusion, setting up a home lab for CCNA is a valuable investment that will provide you with the hands-on experience and practical skills needed to succeed in the field of networking.